Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Google Cloud Console for optimizing cloud portfolio updates step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type Google Cloud Console into the search bar. Press enter to search. Click on the official Google Cloud Console link. You will be directed to the Google Cloud Console homepage. Locate and click the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter your Google account email address in the provided field. Click the Next button. Input your password in the password field. Click the Next button again. If prompted, complete any two-factor authentication requirements. Once logged in, you will see the Google Cloud Console dashboard. On the left-hand side, find the navigation menu. Click on I am an admin to manage access control and permissions. From there, click on Billing to check your cloud resource costs. Return to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Compute Engine. Here, you can view and optimize your virtual machines. To update your resources, select Kubernetes Engine in the menu. You can now manage your clusters and optimize configurations. Explore the Storage section to manage your cloud storage solutions. Check the Networking section to optimize data transfer rates. Use the Cloud Functions option to manage serverless functions. Review your resource usage by clicking on Monitoring. Always ensure that your updates align with best practices and cost efficiency. Once you have finished your changes, ensure to log out securely. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Sign Out from the drop-down menu. Close your browser when you have completed your tasks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.